trying to find someone to review what I actually put together. I was looking at the Philippines, getting that put together. I just turned around and I played with it for about a day and a half to try and get it right. I didn't know if it was too much, too over the top, or so I just sort of put it together from what I knew and what I heard on the video and got an understanding about.
I know somebody who, he set up this. It's called WorkPod over there, and he's got a huge team of people now. What he does is he helps with the recruiting. He actually provides workspace for them as well, that has internet and the workstation for them to sit at. So and I know a few other people who have got. It's a little bit dearer because you pay them a commission.
I find I do have a VA or a PPC guy company managing mine, and because I know a little bit about PPC, of course, I can keep an eye on it. I just don't have the time to do it. But what I find to keep them on track is I'll have a quick look at my PPC, and of course I'm checking my ACOS and I'm checking my total ACOS. So my ACOS including my sales, TACOS as we call it within Helium 10. But I ask a lot of questions. So I might go in there maybe once a week or just once a fortnight, depending on how busy I am. And I'll have a quick look at the campaigns that are in there. I'll literally just spend half an hour. And then I'll ask questions. What are you doing about this one? And why is this one suddenly starting to go up? And by doing that, he's got my ACOS, which was hovering around the 47% before I got him on there because I just hadn't had time to do it. And I'm hovering, and this is in the US, I'm hovering around the 23% for my ACOS, which I'm really happy with given the marketplace and, of course, the competition over there. And then when I look at my TACOS, 10%, which, is good, but just by asking questions and stuff, and they give me the answers, and depending on the answers they give, that they've gone in and had a look and they've actually.
That was a video from my regular Monday night Q&A session with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. We are a community of over 2,500 professional e-commerce sellers from right around the world, selling on everything from Amazon to Shopify, eBay to Etsy, and much, much more. If you'd like to find out what we're doing and how we go about helping you make your business successful, get yourself off to www.aussieonlineentrepreneurs.com.au. The link for that is in the description. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.